night, good morning, depending on the time zone of the country you're watching this from. So today I would continue with the series of video where I explain the RoyalQ module one by one. Okay, in the last video I explored all the buttons, all the icons on the home page. So today, very quickly, to keep the video short, I would move on to quantitative module. So we see, okay, on quantitative module, so you see Binance. So when you click Binance, you tend to see all your trades on that you are executing, that you're executing currently on Binance, and then others that you are not currently trading. Okay, so we have 70 cryptocurrencies that are added here for Binance. 70 altogether, splitted into general and professional. The difference between the general and professional module is that this can be traded by any person on RoyalQ, but the professionals are allowed to trade here. So, and mind you, it's not because you're a professional that's why you come here. You can come here as long as you activate the professional module, that's it, of the professional edition. As long as you click it and turn to blue, you put it on, and then the answers are B, C, B. It's constant. So let's head back. So that's how you get to be able to trade these other coins. So any coin you cannot find on the general module, you come to the professional module to search for it. You just search by the currency. If you can't find it here, you click on general, then you search again, you'll find it. Okay, once you click hobby, you see the search button. Just the same way, you can search for acro, you can search for any coin on hobby. So you have the general page as well that can be traded by anybody who has not activated the professional button. So once you've activated the professional button, this page will be available to you for usage, so you can trade all the coins that are here. That's just the difference between the two. Okay, I've not taken my time to explore this button right here, convert to USDT. I believe it is, maybe when you select any of the coin, you click it sells everything off, and then you convert it to USDT. I believe that should be that. I'll do a bit of research on that. Okay, still on the same page, I'll go back to hobby. Right here, you tend to see the default. You can change this. You can change these. Look at the buttons. You can change these buttons. If you need to sort, you can sort by prices from highest to the least, or the least to the highest. You can as well change by percentage change, which has increased drastically, from the highest to the least, from the least to the highest percentage change. You can do that. Okay, we'll explore that. And as well, you can change profit. You can sort profit from top to bottom, bottom to top, and as well the return rate. These are examples of return rate. Okay, so let's do that quickly. So by volume, I've changed it to by volume. So by volume, BTC has the highest traded quantity. That's by volume. So that's that. So to sort by price, just click on it. So that's that. To sort by price from top to bottom, or you click again from bottom to top. So percentage change, -3 is greater than -6. -6 is greater than -8. So that means we are sorting from top to bottom. Once you click the top arrow again on percentage change, then you see this -32 is far less than -27, and that's how it goes. So this is from the least to the highest. That's by this. So prices, we go by sorting by prices. So we have the one with the least price. Okay, let's go by this, by percentage prices. So you tend, oh no, sorry, profits. So whichever one has made the highest profit. So -9 is better than minus 13%. That's also by that. Or you go by, you go by, oh sorry, I made a mistake, the profit this time around. So -67 is far less. That's not a profit, that's a big loss than -60. So that's how to sort the profit. You are sorting by, this is the profit here, this is what I'm saying, the profit. So when you're sorting by this up and down button, you're sorting by this, okay. So you need to get to know how to use your RoyalQ Robot. So by sorting by the by the return rate, you can sort from top to bottom, bottom to top. Which one have I made the most profit? Which one have I made the least profit? Which one am I really having big losses on? And which one am I having least loss on? So it's about pressing the button. Just learn to press the button. It's about, clicking the lower button and the top button. So just when you toggle around those buttons, it sorts by the return rate. Okay, so that's perfect, good one. Okay, yeah, so many people have not been using this opportunity. The batch settings. Okay, let me move over to this first. So this shows your USDT balance on Binance or Huobi if you are trading on Binance or Huobi. So I'm on Binance and this is my profit so far. And then you can click on the refresh button. That's the one that shows the cycle. That's the one there. I want to make this. So first you have this button over here. Once I move this tool away, so it's here, and then yeah, let's quickly run over to the batch settings. Did you see it? You didn't see that, I guess. So let's go again. The batch settings. I would like to teach you the batch settings. Okay, you just toggle. Yeah, let me show you very quickly. It's right here. That is just it. Batch settings. Let me move this off so that you can see it. So once you click it, the batch settings, this is how it works. You can, instead of repeating the same trade setting for 20 coins and then you have to go 20 times, you can actually click on the batch settings to select. These are, you can see I'm selecting, and then you can search if you can't see it on top. So that's it. You just have to select, you scroll up, and then you look for the coins, you select if you want to apply that trade setting you want to use right now for like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as much as 70 coin. You set it once and for all. You don't have to go over it 20 times, and then everything is automatic on RoyalQ. So that's it. You keep selecting if you want to apply that same setting for all of this trade. Look for the coin you want to trade, and then you go over. You have the trade settings just the usual way. You click your trade settings, and then you set it. In my subsequent videos, 1, 2, 3 videos coming, I would drop so many trade settings, perfect one that will never make you see loss as big as the ones I am currently seeing. Because I've learned so many lessons. We just experienced a crypto crash today. The prices are far low, and I have vowed by virtue of my lessons never to make some mistakes which I made, which led me to these big losses. They are not losses, they are temporary losses. So that's that. So if you are currently trading those coins and you want to sell, so you click batch settings as well. If you want to sell as much as 20 coins that are ongoing, you select them, like this 4. If you want to sell, you click on sell, right? If you want to pause the trade, you click on pause trade for multiple trades. If you have paused it and then you want to start, or after your trade settings you want to start, you click on start. That's that. And then you scroll to the left. It's just by scrolling to the right or left, just swipe to the right rather. And then if you want to place it on one shot, if they're on cycle, you click one shot. That's that. If you know that's one shot, that's one side, that's cycle. If you want to change from one shot to cycle, open margin calls. If you have closed margin calls previously, you can open margin calls, or if it is on margin calls you want to stop, you click on the button stop margin calls. So this is also this first preset drop. So that's that's a settings instruction you give if you do not want to buy a specific coin at the current price. You want to set a lower price to begin trading. It's also the same what you have here, first preset buying price. Okay, so that's how to set that. And once you are done with all the settings, you click on start, and then your trade starts for all the 20. If it is 20 coins you've set, let me see if the length of the video will accommodate 11. So I would like to stop here, and then we'll move on to the next model in the next video. Thank you very much, my friends. RoyalQ is still the best regardless of the floating loss. The robot does not sell at a loss. It waits for the appropriate time to make profit for you before it disposes of the cryptocurrencies in profit, in big profit. And it is best to buy the dip. The robot has bought the dip and is waiting to sell at higher prices when the market booms. I'm waiting for that to experience massive profit. So my friends, activate. You have my referral link down in the description. Activate your RoyalQ Robot through that link. Register, contact me. I would drop my WhatsApp channel and Facebook channel on the description below. So click on it, contact me on how to activate your RoyalQ Robot. You can look for activation videos in my channel. I have them recorded. So it's so amazing. You can see a lot of videos on my channel. Just scroll through, you get yourself started. It's so simple, easy, robotic, automated crypto trading for you. It's a easy peasy, easy way for you. Thank you. God bless you. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, get my next video next time. Thank you.